He's getting very excited. Are you watching this?
I'm.
Yeah. So Mark is also an ultimate fighter.
I'm not.
In his mind, and so you're going to train Mark, right? You're going to train him because you are about to have a big fight this Saturday at the Barclays Center.
Yes.
Right. And Mark wants to learn some punching techniques, so when he's at the gym with his friends, he can impress them, right?
Can you help me out?
And so he can protect you.
So he
So I
can protect me. Yes,
you.
right.
No, trust me, she's way more dangerous
Yeah,
than I am.
I believe.
Yeah, you already gave me a
believe
training session. So what do I do? Put these on my legs or what?
All right, so you're gonna hold these.
Okay.
Right here.
These go like that? Okay.
Yep. And then there.
Okay.
And so when we do this,
Okay.
you're gonna go this hand's here,
Right?
Okay.
and this hand's here.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're gonna go to 50
Okay.
when we do that.
You
okay.
want it fast? Or do you want it now? Or...
You're gonna go fast when we do it. You're gonna do it like all together.
Got it. Got it. Okay.
And then I'm gonna take these.
Okay.
And I'm going to, I can hold them for the punches if you want. Or
Yeah,
you can.
yeah, why don't
Then we're
you-
gonna go
why
with
don't you
your
hold
shin,
them? Has this-
right here, and we're gonna do 10 of those.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this
Okay.
shin, 10, and they're gonna come over here.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
gonna put your knee like as if it's on their belly. You're gonna throw some punches.
Okay.
You might get down, you might throw some elbows.
How about the hammer fist?
Oh, whatever you want. Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay.
That is my
How about
favorite ground and
elbow?
pound
How about
punch.
nice
Yes.
elbow?
And so you're
You
gonna go
got it.
off on that on the
I
end,
got
okay?
Okay, good.
Holly,
All right.
let me ask you a question. Can you bite your opponent?
Well,
No biting.
as
is
long as the ref doesn't see it.
Oh, okay, good. Good to know.
This is very exciting.
Okay.
Good. Now,
All right.
now listen.
Yes.
Be careful, both of you. I don't want you to get hurt for your fight. And
We're good.
he's
I
he's
could-
older than
No,
he
I-
looks. Okay.
Here's the thing. We're gonna go to my count of 50.
Okay.
Okay. It's really 100 because I'm gonna count every time your right hand hits.
Got it.
Then we're gonna do 10, 10, and then you're gonna finish off on
Got
the
it.
bag.
Okay.
You can tell him however long he wants to go on the bag.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Ready? Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,